Good day everyone. So if you are experiencing this thing during the editing video, and if you find that the audio here, the imbalance, let's say the sound or the voice in the right section or in the right earbud is louder than in the right. So in this CapCut, you can actually try to fix that. And if you want to know how the difference of this imbalance, so you can activate this section beside this duration. And if you play this, for Melinda's love I persevere, you're gonna see that there is the dynamic between left and also right section, or the sound in the left earbud and also right earbud. So in case you find that the right is less louder than this left, so you can select this clip first, and after that you can go to the audio and scroll down until you find this fill channel. And in this section you can select it and you can choose which one that you are experiencing now. For example, like now that the voice in the right section is less than the left section, so I'm gonna choose the fill right with the left, and the sound should have been balanced like in the left earbud or in the left section. Stretch out long across. Example like that. So this is how you correct and also balance the sound in your earbud in the left and also the right. And don't forget to try it in this CapCut, and I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.